Hey y'all, it's your girl Nida and welcome back to my channel. So, it is spooky season. For normal people, it is just October, but for people who love Halloween, it is spooky season. And I wanted to start off doing a Halloween themed look. And I don't know exactly how Halloween themed this is because it's going to be more of a transformation look. So as you can see, your girl has got her inches on. So I actually got this ponytail extension from Amazon. I'll leave a link below. It feels pretty nice. This is probably the best match to my hair color I have gotten. I didn't get 1B. I think I got like the color 2 or something like that. It's one of the wraparound Velcro ones, so it's just infinitely a little easier to maneuver and install versus using tracks. Every time I try to use just like regular tracks and wrap it around a ponytail, like my arms get tired. By the time I get my hair into a ponytail, my arms are tired. So I figured I would try this one and see how it works. And it actually is really simple. It took me like 2 tries to really like get it on really well, but that's because I am just impaired. I'm just convinced I'm just impaired, and that's what's wrong with me. So but yeah, this is actually, the quality feels pretty nice. It does tangle a bit and it is pretty long, but what can you expect from a synthetic ponytail? That was like $7, not a lot, so it gets the job done. So today's video is gonna be a bit of a transformation. I am thinking Ariana Grande. We'll see. I mean, of course, I'm not gonna be able to look exactly like Ariana Grande, but we're gonna get as close as possible. So we already got the ponytail. We've already got peak Grande-ness going on here, which was the ponytail. So yeah, I'm going to stop talking and do my face because I'm losing light. For foundation today, I'm mixing. I've been actually really enjoying mixing this Rare Beauty foundation with like other foundations that I love. So I'm going to be trying it today with the Stay Naked weightless liquid foundation and Rare Beauty, of course. And I am 460 in Rare Beauty and 70 YW in the Urban Decay Stay Naked foundation. I have reviews for both on my channel, and as you guys know, I love to let you know that there's an eye above. So there will be an eye above for both of these reviews. I think I did the Stay Naked review like last summer, and of course the Rare Beauty one was this summer. I primed with, I've already primed my face. I used the Milk Makeup Primer, Hydro Grip Primer with the Rare Beauty Luminous Primer. And this is like the 3rd time I've used this combination, and I actually really like it a lot. My face looks glowy and hydrated, and the makeup goes over it super smooth, so I'm actually really enjoying this combo. Just got that on my face. I hope this is a good mix. I'm liking what the Rare Beauty does for a lot of my foundations, which is it just adds just a little bit more coverage, especially for these lighter coverage foundations like the Urban Decay foundation. I've mixed it with both of my ColourPop foundations. Even though one of the ColourPop foundations is pretty high coverage on its own, the original one is full coverage. The Pretty Fresh foundation is not. It is a medium to buildable. So I've been actually really enjoying mixing the Rare Beauty one, because the Rare Beauty one, even though it feels super lightweight, is a high coverage foundation. Alright, I'm going to be concealing my under eyes with this. Going to be concealing my under eyes with the Rare Beauty concealer. I'm in the shade 430W. I'm also going to be doing some cream contouring with my Soul Beauty Face and Body Bronzing Balm. I have a review on this, so be an eye above for that. I'm setting my highlighted areas with my ABH banana powder.
Chris O.G.
Setting my whole face with my Morphe No Filter powder. I'm just gonna mist my face with this 4th Ray Beauty Do It Hydrating Hyaluronic Mist. Now I'm going to bronze with my Makeup Revolution Glow Splendor Ultra Matte Bronzer. This is the shade Medium. One thing about Miss Grande, she loves some bronzer. They always like super bronze her face. Just using my Juvia's Place blush Saharan Blush Volume 2 palette. Now we're gonna highlight. I'm using my ABH Amrezy highlighter. Okay. Highlighters on, set my face with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Okay, for eyes, she's always doing something like really like subtle, like a brown, or they do like a light color on the lid and then a dark like crease. A lot of like browns around her like crease. So I'm just taking this shade Smooth Criminal from the Jaclyn Hill Vault collection. This is in the, which palette is this? This is the Armed and Gorgeous palette. I take Chaser out of the Urban Decay Naked Heat palette, and I'm just gonna put that on the lid. Alright, now for eyeliner, I use the Kat Von D. This is the Kat Von D ink liner, which I think they might in the color Troop, which I think now it's the KVD Vegan Beauty ink liner. I'm not sure. They haven't really talked about what they're gonna do with the ink liner. She never has like a super dramatic wing, so I'm gonna do a little baby wing. Okay, this is not gonna work. I hate felt tip liners. Let me go grab my other liner, my ABH liner, which will be much better. Alright, so for lashes, I have here a pack of Ardell 110s because I'm going to attempt to do like cut it to where it's just like that outer corner. It's a little outer corner lash moment. It's actually looking really cute. I'm not gonna lie. I'm like, dang, maybe I should do my makeup more like this more often. Oh, cute. Okay. Right, maybe I should do my makeup like this more often. Start with some serious Ms. Grande realness. Ooh, child, this is cute. This is, oh man, I'm sorry. I think this is the best I've looked in a long time on my channel. Well, I can't say a long time because the last look I did was really pretty, but this just hits different from the contour, the face, like the subtle eye makeup, the inches. I'm just like, wow, I did that. She's that girl. I wish it was lighter outside so I can go out and take some really good pictures, but I'm gonna try my best to get some good ones in my room because boy, does this look nice. This looks nice. This is it for my little Ariana Grande inspired transformation. Let me know if I hit the mark or if I missed it. I'm proud of myself. At least if to you I didn't get close to Miss Ariana, at least I bodied this. This looks good. This looks so good. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if there were any other transformation or like makeup inspired by anyone that you'd like to see me do for spooky season, and I'll see if I can get that together. I have some other looks planned that I want to do because I want to do more looks for Halloween, and yeah. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the bell down below so that way you can always be notified whenever I upload. Your girl is uploading every Wednesday at 7 p. EST and Saturday at 3:30 p. EST. Make sure to click the description box. There'll be links to all the products that I've used in today's video, as well as links to all of my social media. You can follow me on Instagram, as well as Twitter, as well as the Facebook page for this channel. And yeah, I'll see you on my next one. Bye.